Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how you can easily check the throughput statistics on your Starlink. So first, what we need to do is open up the Starlink app on our device. And now we need to wait for it to connect with our Starlink. Now here we need to scroll down and go to statistics. And here we have the throughput, and here you can easily check the statistics of the download and the upload. So basically it measures the amount of data that your Starlink is downloading or uploading from the internet. So here you can basically download a big file and put it to the test if these statistics really work. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.